Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Joon-ki and Moon Chae-won's analysis of fortune telling. A YouTube subscriber asked about the harmony of Joon-ki and Moon Chae-won, so I analyzed the fortune telling. Their chemistry is so great. Both Joon-ki and Moon Chae-won were born with the energy of matter. Joon-ki is a matter with positive energy, and Moon Chae-won is a matter with negative energy. So, the harmony is good. Joon-ki is better suited to the military, police, and legal circles. It is a charm that attracts people. So it fits well as an actor who acts with strong action. Moon Chae-won is a good structure where all the energy is well communicated. Whatever Moon Chae-won do, she succeeds young, and whatever Moon Chae-won wants works out well. Both of them have great structures. Let's take a look at their spouse. Joon-ki's spouse is strong in controlling and managing him. She is very smart and looks like a lady who can't be short of anything. Joon-ki takes good care of his wife. Moon Chae-won's spouse is a friend-like husband. They are very close and loved. So what about their fortune-telling chemistry? There are many ways, but I look at it psychologically. Joon-ki's energy is very powerful, unlike his fine line face. Moon Chae-won has a strong sense of melting men's hearts, and she has the ability to make anyone adaptable and flexible. Joon-ki's life directionality and Moon Chae-won's life directionality have a good match. Both of them have a strong sense of superiority and confidence in themselves, and have their own unique qualities, their own world. Joon-ki expresses his feelings through writing, and Moon Chae-won expresses it well verbally. So Moon Chae-won looks like a pretty, foxy wife. She is well-informed and beloved wife. Joon-ki is a reliable husband who loves his wife and shows her actions rather than words. Moon Chae-won has such a good structure that anyone can meet and live well. Joon-ki has a bit of a strong energy, but he is able to show his talent in acting that governs, manages, and gains popularity. Both of them have good chemistry as actors, and they have very good structures as spouses. Their relationship may or may not end with acting. What is clear, however, is that Moon Chae-won lives with her husband's love, and Lee Joon-ki supports her well and loves her more. I wish you both healthy and happy future. Subscribe and thumbs up please. Thank you very much.